Are you wondering how to embed EverWebinar pages in WordPress? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few minutes. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a little-known feature that can make your webinar integration even smoother. Plus, I've got an exclusive offer for you that'll save you money if you're new to EverWebinar. Now, let's jump into the first step. The first thing you need to do is sign up for EverWebinar. If you haven't already, you can use the link in the description below to get access to this powerful software for free, along with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. You don't want to miss this. Once you're logged into EverWebinar, head over to your webinar page and grab the embed code. You can find this in the integration section of your EverWebinar settings. This is the key piece that'll allow you to seamlessly place the webinar on your WordPress site. Next, go to your WordPress site. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page or post where you want the webinar to appear. Once you're in the editor, select the location where you want the webinar to show up. You can embed it in a specific area of your page, or even in the sidebar if that's more fitting. Now, click the plus to add a new block and search for the custom HTML block. This is where you'll paste the embed code you got from EverWebinar. Just copy and paste it exactly as it appears. When you're done, click Publish or Update to save your changes. Here comes the cool part. Once the embed code is in place, visit your page to preview it. You should see your EverWebinar landing page or webinar registration form directly on your WordPress site. No external redirects needed. It's smooth, easy, and works seamlessly with your WordPress layout. Next thing, let's talk about styling and customization. If you want your EverWebinar embed to match your website's design, you can do that with some simple CSS adjustments. You might need to tweak the padding or margins to ensure it looks great with the rest of your content. WordPress also allows you to use page builders like Elementor to drag and drop the embed code, giving you even more customization options without touching any code. The fourth thing to keep in mind is testing. After embedding, test the functionality of your EverWebinar page on WordPress. Make sure the video loads correctly, the registration form works, and everything looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures your audience has a smooth experience. One more thing to remember, EverWebinar's embed feature is also great for tracking. You can track registrations, attendee behavior, and other metrics directly in EverWebinar, which helps you optimize your webinars for higher conversions. To wrap up, embedding EverWebinar pages in WordPress is straightforward, and with these steps, you'll have it running in no time. If you're new to EverWebinar, remember to click the link below to get access to an extended free trial and some exclusive bonuses. This is a powerful tool that can save you time and increase your webinar conversions, and I'm excited for you to try it out.